issues na wa mo ka no mo say aban de ka na e ka na aban de na wontu aye nti na amadum so aba se dom kuma ya sa 38.24 we to da bi na say wo san hu so mu wa no mo de ka san se bia ya na e ha adwen o but anyway that is democracy for you. Democracy is very expensive, so if you can't, you don't vouch for it. Inti yanya de yeti akwesem ni de obi a wo ho kwan say otchere na adwen na adwenkyere no mu no ye na say nye nokore na wo ka na no yatwe wadwen asiso. Se ye ka se obi de ka na se wontua ka de a ene na che say NPP for the buru ka de gu because the last time na me ka kire wo say Esla na President Mahamadu Bawumia nanka bia 2019 2018 thereabout na was nka Esla no a endiame ye jaitua e wo energy sector no NPP buy no mode sa Esla no kosi awa they are the same people our opposition time mo kaseti aye say na President Mahamadu akwafa le bibia bana yi or the baba jeje to e wo nyinama hoɔden aso ye e wo mo ba wo betwam Omoba yo mo hu se eka esum energy sector ho fiti ya akato apenso eka hu bi ena mo mine kania ntimi nyina so no e de na mo ye instead the sanko mo gigi sika na wo mo be kwa kotua legacy debt no every wa ma Ghana ye komu ahare no wo mo gi sika na no mo kwa kwade ya ade akwaya de foforo no ba kodi eti do mo ya na so mo sanya akokoduro e de Esra kuti nkrofo bi no mo krom ha amodi ye sika breye because asate na kasabra was nka PDS ye ka ho asem court irrespective of baby a case na kofefa nyina me feel nka PDS was say prosecuting ni biem ni ebisa nkrofo na ye tam Ghana ECG e de ma wo mo sa nkrofo miensa na ewi a kira Dr. Bawumia beka kire say they were mislead no I was saying ke chesa ankrofo no ne yebebisa wo mkosa say ehimfo na na ehye akire eye dey no mind to say Ghana yetimi tam ye ECG kania o the heart of the country kania ene kania ni baby ane nyina ye kikam kania ni baby ane nyina ye su no the heart of omine no enyina mahoden ni atam de akwa ankrofo bi a yesi wo bekom kra no yesi ba akokwa no e baba eno yaka ba ko no yitire washada ni record bia woni financial support bia nipo di ya wu kese power saade ni mu eye Dr. Bawumia onu no kwasesa eye guarantee no de ko insurance guarantee omu fa sika botini meto akire no ase da bi omu fa insurance mra onu na kwasesa no da Bawumia kroya no kwasesa ne da ne insurance guarantee dan akwafo no omu bank account kra menye hwe se no omu obi ana omegije Ghana for sika light bills ahodo omegeye sika no besinne ye hu ba bia sika ne faaye ye je ECG free omunsa besinne obi a mu nkonta wo mo asa akwahye wo machi muntwa mo mu fa Ghana ban court amu de Ghana ban court kopie mu ewiase nyina court emekọ wi akire Ghana ye di nkunim ne baaye ne papa mu a wosenka ba na ye prosecute PDS ni ahwe wo mo hye akire ma oman no ebo ka na entise so what we say prosecution in court so enti na omonya no esan gina baabi esan ka say ECG ana nyama hode na ban de ka rade yakopo to de bia na moma enipa ede yaw kasama wan hwe abeka de eni kwan se wo kan enti na minority anu ya din nyina kire say ya prosecute obi a ni a prosecute obi mo gina court ni ebisa no baabi a yesika wo ene ya hye na mra kwakofa sika na ba na nya plea bargaining ni nipa ne be say wo de fa sister fa 40 na ma ye sister ni ya sure say nko ma pe baabi akwakote ko ma pe baabi akotena but na omo wa no omo timi de kasa ansem ni nyina because prosecution bi anko so containers ya ya kan say ayira ni kebusi ye share dan say prosecution bi koso e ya hefo na tena ECG ho e request say kebusi na ye wo bi dada na o say request biom say de koso okoko board a koko bottle ye be hia be 15 years ya kra dia ba be gu port ama bottle na tete ya say nya ho akra fofo say mra kebusi na ya say ye kra dia ba ECG fo akra no eba loko wo porter no omuntimi nkle no eya hiefo nsa no ene ma ye court situation ni mu by now na nko bi kina court by now I was saying Kwabena court I was sad no Ghana yetimi kasa problem ba ye be ye dede Sammy wa the root cause of issue no ye tackle nipa no ma sa problem ne ba no ne agya nipa no no ne nam ho ne de ye politics the moment asem no be si a ebeda ne NDC NPP pe asem na say asem no dane NDC NPP a case na say dead on arrival because se nipa ne NDC ni a NDC for kwa akyire no ma na NPP for and no mo say o mo ya we chanting nipa ne NPP ni a na NPP for hira giram NDC for ya we chanting enti asem bi e beba Ghana ha no meda bedane sa party mienu asem bia na asem na say dead on arrival na kana ECG asem eda we eni kwasen NPP for kwa mia ebi o ma no kabi. You know why? These are the same people that were President Akufo Addo Ekwo Parliament kind State of the Nation address. No car we say transformers are we sisan into na dumshaba. And then the same transformers ni binuma are overloaded. Near asay na yes no no. And no dia yes there be mamu kasa. Omo na car yenti eno na ye. Anything that NPP will do is right. NDC do the same thing is wrong. What kind of logic is this? Nana de dan Kweku Annan ko gina parliament ka kire Ghana Mreshebijafo say mon kan kire mon pesia sofo nya say kania na edum no e transformer na yesesa no ECG satam no si wono kwa me rafinidi ebe kan say transformers na swap power de konkofo fie mu no say wo mo asesa na the problem beba. And then the same transformers na yakoto fufro na yesesa no ni ayo overloaded ye load ni bia free so ni yakodi yakoba bi fufro no no 38.2 for na say ye haram no and this for na ye ntie haram. Hey, I don't blame them because besi sabre yan share them fa wo bi nko gina court wo sa na ma hunu na court wo ECG no enya ma court wo ECG wo hu si yakase ye bie kakari mu a time. But these are the same people a wo ma hwire si microphone achi a wo mo ye dedegu yasum to the point to say wo mo pese mo kire mu po uti asem wo mo kan ye wo video mu a ai ma ban no begira akoso modam na ahye nachi no ma mekase den enu nti na dum so aba asim say akoso bona ahye no mu nim say ahye o mu tie ni ayera o mu nim say hydro no so contribute to a certain percentage of Ghana electricity. But omo paso omo ma Ghana 40 ase say nye no a omo paso omo ma Ghana 40 ase say omo sisa transformer e kan ho asem na e correct but na this sisa transformers aka ho asem enya correct double standard. Say ya wo mo dia no problem. Say ya obi fufro dia ni asem wo fie enti atoda bia ya na me bisa me ho say emu dia he pa na yentie emu dia he pa and yentie because eye mo na mo ye dia problem ni ho but say other way round that ya na problem ho. That's the reason why every day bia me come adwa kire NDC fo because the more you allow these people to be walking around the more they talking nonsense. The more na mo ne wo mo sresre na mo fa mo namfo na o mo rewra mu fie pie na o mo keka ne ma hunu wo kroma no wo ba to aso saa keka saa. And you see that bia me ka kire mo say NPP are known for lies. They can feed you with lies consistently. Nyame na aye adom na say saa ne ma ase Ghana for ye hu atra. It was so mo try cocoa sector no anye ye omo sheda your madwe say consistently asem bia ni wa won beka de a wo mo ba yire wo mo hu no ma hama cocoa issue na kwesi say e beto Ghana fo tirim. So that's a problem. Omo ye ya na emfa no won say afa wo ma akasa atiatena eno na me tin say ye ka ne say wo kwame ya me region bono region won say agricos border na wa sampa no kaza kwa fa ho and almost smuggle Cote d'Ivoire ko no mo de ba regional minister and again investigations and kwakwa nkrofo no nkrofo na ye no amote no wo ma gaza kwahyehyɛ nkrofo achi o kokwa da wa bi ko tina de bofo na ye nto no mo nkofa mra Tell you by Ghana, the na board den kakra no yento. Hey, who? Energy Ministry. Rosin, good morning.
Morning, let's say.
Nyamia don patron na wonso
Nyamia don.
Yeah, the nyamia say. The other kind me pese on my update on energy crisis ayakomo no current state ayewo mu sisi ya na afa ye wi ayako minority press conference and ro mo ye no eso.
Maminda was for opportunity, no. And let me say a very good morning to your cherished listeners. In nine, say last week Thursday, in your fire outbreak, Akosombo, substation no switch yard no control station on the cleaning now a complete. And I'm sad until we had to shut down the generation plant because. Generation plants, of course, when you produce, you should be able to evacuate power. I say transmitting power, no. But the facility to do that, no, asheno. The main charge, no, Minister John NaPo, leading the technical team, no. Almost started say, they put together some innovative measures and new technology advancements to be able to restore power. Now, in faces over the weekend, no to me at the back of by 3 days ago, Minister update no more the second one.
Okay.
And one area around 1 p.m. no, the third turbine was connected. And now just they added the fourth turbine.
Okay.
This year, no, 4 out of 6. Unit as you say back on stream. It shows a lot of people have noticed said a problem and there for most places their power has been restored because we've had significant improvement in the generation capacity, and we want to use the opportunity to thank the engineers, thank the people of Ghana. And yes, like the last couple of days but it was a major technical issue in jet or in intimi and amano akosesa.
All right. And minority press conference one more allegations one more bosso say edoso baako ene say almost say enye akosombo na ehye no ene de dum so no aba na mom mo de IPPs ka ena mo de fuel so ka IPPs no ya so mo de ka be say 500 billion ena fuel no so mo de ka be 200 million muntua ena wa mo de recovery program bi ehye so ewo energy ministry under NaPo mobile no mato sa energy recovery program no ato atwene ena mo ankasa mo afa mo direction ene na de yadu ba bia yaduri
inyama me fa no one after the other.
Okay.
Number one, the Cresse energy sector recovery program. Any World Bank, that's why indeed, almost time, follow the energy sector recovery program. Ubisa World Bank for the Tróuble confirm say they didn't follow the program, or agree on what to do. They were taking the money, spending the money anyhow they wanted. Program say reduce a kind in the sector, they had rather increase the kind of sector. Program said the efficiency, but they had rather be more inefficient and ineffective. Or the whole year and no more schedule load. So it's not true that we have abandoned the program. The funny thing is that we've engaged World Bank. We have rather enhanced the program. What we've done is that we have reviewed it. We've improved on it, and we've extended the program to 2029 as here before cabinet for approval. In the correct, New York. Number two,
yeah.
Omemuha IPPs any fuel for energy sector. What do you omo frames you? What do you oh, I don't want to let that. That's one now. It's one face you can buy which generation. At all, it's in the past. A car power in call for Timmy Trolleta threatening say one farm by big giant generation. Fred Dr. Elik Makwetobo honor the head chamber or independent power generators. Nabisano. say in this administration have they written any letter like that. They are very, very happy. They buy a legacy debt or a share. The first thing we did was to renegotiate with them. In the renegotiation, we had a reduction in the debt by $252 million. Now, in your renegotiation, tariffs so money platform. In your work plan, agreed scheduler, going according to the agreed work plan. And then the fourth one is we are current with them every month. BSK said mom. Okay. And the press said and then the cash water for mechanism reports is the reports are public. Yeah, beside NPP for the say reports there or no more time, no more discarded anyhow basa no. Is that what we are doing under this government? That's not what we are doing. Under this government, the Mankofo and the utilities are happy. That's a normal canon born to baby cry. This is not the time for partisan politics. In Yabri, when you have serious challenge, it's a fire. It has to take a lot of innovation to do that. Minister focus is to restore power. Not gonna be in your life. And yet, this is not the time. A 38% group, no any more record, no on Baby ADD. I bet it will be our.
All right. And to say energy recovery program, no, you're very important. I was a woman Ghana for TRCA. A dear, what's our program name?
In that program, no, a program any two say number one to improve financial capability in the energy sector. With the World Bank, they will tell you that we've been very, very prudent in how we have managed the financial sector. You buy a cash water for mechanism the whole of 2024. We are 6 billion. Yeah, in 2025, we are 13 billion. They are more than times two of what they have because of improvement in their revenue collection and then also disbursement. You can say the efficiency in the fuel. We buy increasing our supply. Here and I normally 210, so we 280. You believe normally 90, so we 130. Nigeria normally 70, so we 100 million. In now improvements are there. Okay. I'm saying here to also make sure say banner distribution side improving. Ocean distribution side is here and the injection of transformers near the over 3,000 a day. But that is what we are doing in accordance with the plan and even the president Mama the plans or the buy. Saying the credit plan program no is been abandoned. Omo program abroad kese no wendi so. Omo ankasa mu program of yeah na she say any World Bank agree you say na yes program.
Okay. And kwama baako I say Ghana for ye dia na yakwa akopem. And say cables and say containers na ye say ayera mmere bi no. Yes, ya recover bi ni ade. So far sa issue no akosi saying ya prosecute obi wo ho ya recover and ye ne den.
The first thing the minister here they say author letter the security agencies and the attorney general. So more research saying we no more prosecution. When you say the ministry the prosecutorial powers. Investigations test some way no more prosecution. We've been following up keenly. And him said the former MD for ECG, Omuji Menum Asem, they took a statement, a cautious statement from him, and it shows that the investigations are still ongoing. And so we will still follow up and then update the people of Ghana on where we are with the investigations. Now, the containers, yes, it's true. You trace 2,000, over 2,600. When you say you buy a transition time, I'm catching say, ECG 2,500 containers. Yeah. And when it's a inspection, we will containers. No. Also, I have committee. The committee, they cut 1,300 were unaccounted for. Later, no chief of staff, any representatives of various institutions, a further job. It's me, HAC 2,600. Out of 2,600, no. Tracy, and almost 1,006 have been evacuated. Evacuated, okay. Say a year reported their various ECG warehouse, a year inventory. We'll continue to do the evacuation of the rest. And then the tracing program will still continue because we still believe that when we trace or when we continue to look through the system, we may find more containers. And it hasn't been abandoned. We are working tirelessly to recover every single container out there.
Okay. Now, I kind of said, dear chat to no, I said that Nimusadi, me and I'm a person, update on it. Are we going back on PDS case?
Are we going back
to PDS case? No
case.
Yes.
Oh, yes. I mean, when you say arbitration, more arbitral award, a says it can be a PDS or be an recover. Yeah, show letter the copy of the arbitration award. No, at the account, the Attorney General. The Attorney General, to be recover every single penny of PDS or any say home. Okay, maybe sir, because I say yente wasem. Inti Kwabena say na I said ye and also ye Jáil wasem come and Akufo befa ye sikedi. Anope kura na maybe sa wasem say sika no ye gi ana ye ne den. Inya ye sika pa as of mind ye. I was by Moses your ministry hano. Whatever is due us, we will take steps together with the investigations team to recover it.
Okay. Last one I remember wakotoa wadwuma so transformers and the most no. In case I'm most transformer ya na it take how many days and I'm ebe fix here we send be ya tebia me wo area B na ye be sesa transformer metimi we say be 3 days and 4 days because people are still requesting for timetable.
Is let me just take a minute or two to explain this question, and I'm happy you asked. The first issue they said, Abaino Beka said we have a problem with our distribution network.
Yeah.
ECG distribution, NetCo distribution. Here power sector, there are 3 broad areas: your generation, your transmission, and distribution. Generation, yeah, okay. Transmission, yeah, okay. Distribution, the problems for. Distribution problem more because over the years, machines are using that they are very old machines. Generation cost through, a transmission cost through, a demand as a country has gone up, but we are still using the same old machines. In your Ufi we see old machines, you know what it means. Or blender can we you see a blender, you know how the efficiency becomes.
Yeah.
Or fridge plan and say fridge at a point, your consumption eventually goes up and it affects electricity. That is why a demand, even though it's moved from 2,200 to about 4,400, we are still using the same old machines. Kwabena said that has led to an overload of transformers. And as the area be or damaged transformers, area be also old obsolete machines, never affect the distribution side. I mean, so transformer overloaded, and I say, if the holding conformer, transformer never trip it.
Okay.
Like we do. And that is what we are seeing across some areas in Ghana. Certain areas, we will say, especially peak time. Peak time meaning around 6 to about 11 p.m. Obiaba fina demand na koshoro. We will not having negative impact on it. The transformer is overloaded per a bedroom. A my area how lights into bedroom.
Okay.
When I see a best all those transformers and give you new ones and a whole day also to be able to withstand pressure and as a demand that akoshoro. Meaning until we come and change your transformer, that problem persists. It will like me do more, and yet because say yes, a sanity need do. Problem no. Say Mao MBA announcement say na ya batishinungwa na ya announcement say tishinungwa fu ya bo na lights no. Yes, say power transformer. Ya yes idea na the areas that are having those issues, no, I'm like to be do until we change it.
Okay.
I say one phone. Now phone now what battery ni enye. Meaning I charge I show 100%. Be 30 minutes. Be one na be do 50%. I just say to me to call the whole day. Or one phone need do. Because once it's a battery, no, until it's a battery, no, it's a problem there. And that is why we keep telling people, say, well, like me do man, that is it. We'll get to your area. We are changing over 3,000 transformers. We'll get to your area. Immediately we'll get to your area. We'll change it, and that problem will be a thing of the past. It will be some more Achimota. We've changed their transformer. And those Achimota will tell you, say, ever since we did that change, their power supply improved significantly. Until then, issue outage by a lot of the people at Ashmota normalize this. And so we'll get to your area. They do my yes, it's a transformer national. They be.
Okay.
But because the problem is there as we speak, in the areas of what that problem will continue to experience it until say Besesa. Now yes, that's why your announcement. You can say area high about your announcement. Your schedule of time you be do. Your time maybe read man time you will like be do. You call my joy. You call us be a rotation was say announcement.
Okay.
Yes, you be do ubia area also a problem. Your list now. Transformer change won't mean any now at the same time. You do it bit by bit. Yes, I will be doing life for the whole Ghana. The mama emre kakra. Now you find a problem. You find solving it once and for all. Once we solve it, a buyer from 2025. Yamma light Mrs. Swa me do baby Ghana for so many too much. I ain't do light kakra. Obekai.
Mekaipa.
A do baby crowd, you say, Namae, din too much on the fridge. Don't mean Diane. A do baby, I say, the minister is the best performing minister because for 11 to 12 months, my life misses so.
Yeah.
This phase by the last 3-4 weeks, I can tell you on authority, say, within the next few weeks, next month, June, we all see the improvement, especially with the program. With the transformer replacement and upgrade program, will be having improvement in power supply. Okay.
I think explanation ya odi amaye ye pa na che say kania na edundum no nyani nyina na ya transformer na Moses ba because say it's been overloaded already no. Eye den ya sa problem no wo until some bedru ho na ma fix it. Okay. Okay, nti ase wo mu pa me pa cho we su hu hia me nanu na me te say Asante region omo box supply point no mienu pe nti eno ka ho bi na asedum so no to da bia na ho bebre because alliance omo kwa ya de binum atoto konongo lines ne ade so na chese for 8 years ye betwa mu nyina no ya ntimi am build ba akumpo anka ho se enye miensa na se enan Madre who say mobile build bi wa Asante region account.
Minia obi sin stronghold. Obi sin stronghold. Only stronghold. And so problem we are persisted that. But we'll solve it. We are going to build a new box supply point. We are going to also make sure we'll take more power generation there. Okay. We are going to expand what we have now, to bring in more generation capacity. The Kumasi, the demand darko super, unfortunately, no. And a buyer for 8 years went to me years for me interchange. 8 years was stronghold. Went to me years for me interchange. That feed you a buyer for Frabo over there. We'll say, hey, won't you see? The same way, no, we'll solve it. We'll do the necessary injections and then solve the problem in Kumasi. This week, last week MD for ECG was there. This week, the team has gone there. They are looking at temporal measures to improve it whilst we go into doing the major infrastructure works. I say, Ashanti region. When I was my best solve it problem in as His Excellency the President has always been. He doesn't complain much. We solve the problem. We fix it. And we'll fix it.
Okay. one city levy no monya na mo famre biom na I think say no so ebeboa we are not tired of paying it because so far as I yet to my can agina so there menya sure say one city aboro so say yentimintua enti I don't know if you will be working around the clock say maybe what price we no ba from kakra mo be dwen ho na mo side about to support and cushion the financial status of the energy sector.
Obinia, the people of Ghana there abai your mopa. Now we want to thank the people too for their support. See, the BSA to make sure say energy sector, no petroleum, any power generation, abai problem about why drivers diesel 2 cedi per liter. Meaning abai or change the power.
Roxanne Mamenase.
Yes, yeah, that's it.
All right. Many of my Roxanne Kasade, my energy ministry, no, and Yadina Kwaku Dim Common, say issues are minority for no crab, able boss, no, minimara, the politics be nipa. May I show us a committee now or more air casano. Sir NPP for so into me assure some more information I won't be ya. And sir over Babeka say, or my say no more de come on the Kayafian say IPPC is one more contoqua. Or more asagly and see no more bad troll let a man and Addo say, one more ever shot on plant in it now one with 3 car. This time around the NTV, the natural semi patch on never be son what's here. No one who said Jandam.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.